Today, we're gonna create a photo story. Photo Story is a free software tool from the Microsoft Office that can be easily downloaded. It's a tool where you can combine visual images, sound effects, music, and text to create professional and creative visual presentation. First, we have to begin a new story, and so I click Next. Now, we're going to import some pictures. These are my sample pictures in my folder, and so I click OK. So the pictures are there. You can arrange these pictures as what order you want to. Just click the pictures and drag. You can also remove these black borders by clicking this icon. And so I click this. Now, you can also add text on the picture to create a title for your story. And the next thing that we're going to do is to choose effect from one of these items. And so I click Next. Then, we're going to customize the motion of our pictures by clicking this icon to specify the start and end position of our picture. And then click Save. And then you can narrate your story by clicking this red record button. And so I click Next. You can add background music to a set of the pictures. So you can select music out of your MP3 or MP4 or create your own music. So I'll choose classical, piano, adventurous, and then click OK. And then save our project. So the title of our project is Laboratory Apparatus. And then click Save. And so I click Next. And then we're finished.